Welcome, brave teams. Whoever finds the hidden gold star first wins our amazing grand prize.
Ha! This challenge is already mine. My drone covers every inch of this entire forest.
Dad, that man has a drone. How are we supposed to compete with that thing?
Don't worry, Leo. We have something far better than any drone, in a way. Our map and compass.
A paper map? My technology will beat your compass before you even start walking.
The challenge begins now. Use any method you choose. The forest is yours. Good luck.
Watch this, losers. My drone is already scanning the entire northern section.
Mark, go north or east? The clue says the star is near running water, right?
Look at the moss, kids. It always grows on the north side of the trees.
Moss grows north, so walking away from it takes us south toward the stream.
Clever.
No! No! My drone battery just died! I cannot believe this is happening right now! My GPS signal died too. Now I have absolutely no idea which direction to go.
Dad, that man looks totally lost. Do we help him or do we keep going?
We always help those in need, Leo. That is what being a good human means.
Okay, fine. I need your help. Your map is still ridiculous, but thank you, family.
Follow this stream, everyone. The gold star must be hidden near the lower water source.
The afternoon sun moves west, so south is on our left side now.
Incredible! How did you know that? My apps never once taught me any survival signs.
Nature is our greatest teacher, and no app can ever replace what she teaches you.
Dad! Gold Star! Just there near the waterfall! We found it! Gold Star is ours! Logic and nature beat every single gadget today.
Congratulations, amazing family. You used nature signs and pure logic to win today's survival challenge.
I was totally wrong. I am sorry. Your nature skills easily beat all my gadgets.
No hard feelings. Nature and tech both have a role to play in our world.
Trust nature's signs. Unlike drones, they are free and will never, ever
Die on anyone.